I just want to ask everyone kung are you still interested to watch digital nursing videos? Kasi if yes, I'm actually planning to make a long form content sa YouTube para mas ma-explain ko and mas kasi very limited lang kasi yung reels and wala. Curious lang ako kung madaming manonood. Kasi kung madami and madaming makaka-benefit, then I want to help you guys and I want also to share awareness, no? Especially sa mga pagod na sa bedside nursing na merong mga trabaho, hindi mo kailangan na mag-quit ng nursing at may mga jobs na nursing pa din pero mas less stress, mas work-life balance, especially sa mga may families na or sa mga single like me na gusto lang ng work-life balance. So, guys, please comment down below if you're interested and if you're gonna support me kasi wala pa akong masyadong confidence. Pero, yeah, I really want to help you guys. So, I really want to also be helpful sa nursing community natin, lalo na sa mga Filipinos na nag-work abroad. So, please comment down below. Thank you.